One of the easiest traffic sources to make money with CPA marketing is YouTube, specifically YouTube Shorts. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to promote CPA offers on YouTube. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online with CPA and affiliate marketing. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the very thing you're going to be needing is a passionate niche. And whatever niche you are going for, you want to make sure it's easy to find videos and it has a broad appeal. So an example of such niches include the animal niche, the fitness niche, the gaming niche. So there are so many type of niches like this. You can do your research and you're going to find abundant niches like this. But in today's video, we are going to be taking the iPhone versus Samsung niche as an example, and this is because both Samsung and iPhone users are both passionate about their devices, and also this niche has a broad appeal because a lot of people use these devices. And now I'm going to show you an example of a channel in this niche, and this channel is getting massive views. As you can see right here, this channel here, Respect 100M. As you can see, this channel is focused on only Samsung versus iPhone content. And as you can see here, this content don't belong to this channel. They basically find them on the internet and they upload it to their channel. As you can see here, these are random people on their channel, and that tells you obviously they don't own this content. Okay. And as you can see, they are getting hundreds of thousands of views and millions of views on their videos. As you can see this one here with over 8 million views. You can see this one with 1.4 million views. And if you go over here, you can see their recent videos are getting millions and hundreds of thousands of views as well. I'm going to show you another channel right here. As you can see, this channel does not even have a profile photo, just 8 subscribers. And as you can see here, they are getting thousands of views on their videos as well. So now you may ask, how do you find content to upload to your channel? So you can basically do this by simply going over to either TikTok or Instagram. So I'm going to take TikTok as an example. All you just simply need to do is to type in keyword like iPhone versus Samsung, like I've already done right here. And now the reason why I like TikTok is that it's going to show you other suggested keyword right here. So if I scroll down here, you can see this is an example of a video on the channel I just showed you earlier on YouTube. So basically they go over to platform like TikTok and Instagram to download this video and simply re-upload it to their channel. And now you can see this one posted just 9 hours ago. You can see right here over 1,300 likes on this video already in the last 9 hours. Okay, so if I take this video here as an example, as you can see right here, this video has gotten over 300,000 likes on it. And if I go over to the comment, as you can see, over 14,000 comments. And as you can see here, people are basically voting for which of these devices is superior. You can see here, some people are voting for Samsung, while some are voting for iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to make money with this niche. Okay. All you just simply need to do once you find these videos from TikTok or on Instagram, you want to simply copy the link to that video. And to do that, you are going to go over to the top here and you want to click on Control C. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be able to copy the link to that video. And then you want to go over to this platform, ssstick.io, and you want to simply paste in the link right here. As you can see, this is a TikTok video downloader, which you can use to download TikTok videos. So if you click on the download button, it's then going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, you can download this video without the TikTok watermark. So you want to click on it, and just like that, the video will be downloaded to your device right away. And also another thing you can do to increase engagement on your account is to basically add an engagement button like this. Okay, you want to add in something like the like button for Apple and the comment button for Samsung, and they are likely to engage with the content just to prove their device is superior to the other. So you want to basically repeat this process, and you're going to find a lot of videos from TikTok and Instagram. All right, so you want to download the videos and save them to your device. And that takes us to the next step, where you want to start monetizing your channel. And there are several ways you can monetize a YouTube channel. You can either go for ads, you can go for sponsorships, merchandise, or you can use CPA affiliate marketing to monetize your channel. And the reason why this option is one of the best is because you can start making money right away without having to gather a lot of subscribers or having to generate a lot of watch time. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can use CPA marketing to make money with YouTube Shorts. So that takes us to the third step, where you want to find CPA networks, where you are going to be finding CPA offers, which you'll be promoting on your channel. All right. There are so many CPA networks out there you can use. You can come over to cpalead.com. You can go over to mylead.global, or you can simply use cpagrip.com. So each of these networks right here are beginner friendly and they are going to accept you right away. So if you want to use cpalead.com, all you just need to do is to click on the create an account button right here, and your account will be created right away. And the same applies to mylead.global as well. And if you want to use CPA Grip, all you just need to do is to click on the register now button, which is then going to bring you to this page. And all you simply need to do is to enter your basic information right here, just like any other website, and your account will be created right away. So the fourth step is creating a landing page. As you can see right here, I have created a landing page specifically for this niche. As you can see right here, Apple versus Samsung. Like I mentioned earlier, you want to go for niches people are very, very passionate about, and they are willing to do anything to support the niche. As you can see here, we are going to be sending our traffic to this page, which says join thousands of people voting on the best mobile phone for 2025. You decide the best smartphone. And as you can see here, there's a timer which basically tell people they need to take action right away. And people need to click on this button here to cast their vote. So the trick we are going to be doing here is when people click on this vote here button, a content locker is going to appear and they need to complete a CPA offer in order to cast their votes. So I know this might not be making sense right now, but I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be doing to make sure everything comes together. And don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the link to this landing page in the description. So click on the link in the description and you can download this landing page for absolutely free. And now I'm going to also show you how to include your affiliate link in this landing page to start promoting CPA offers. So now to promote CPA offers, I'm going to show you how to do this using one of the CPA networks I showed you earlier. And in this video, we are going to be taking CPA Grip as an example. Okay. However, so you know, we are not going to be really promoting CPA offers directly. Rather, we are going to be using one of the monetization tools. And in this video, we are going to be using the URL file blocker tools. So you want to click on it. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. So I'm going to show you an example of what your content locker should look like. So as you can see, I have already created a locker here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create this type of locker. So all you just simply need to do is to click on the create new URL file locker. You want to agree to terms of service and you want to click on continue. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And the first thing you want to do is to go over to templates, and you want to go over to use this capture template. All right. Then you want to go back to the general section. Here you can give the locker whatever name you want. This is really up to you. Okay, so the next thing you want to then do is to come over to this text here, and you want to change it to complete the captcha below to cast your votes. So this is really all you need to do here. And the next thing you would then want to do is to come over to this anchor text, and you want to change it to after completion, you'll be redirected to the voting page. And now the final thing you want to do here is to simply come over to this section here, and you want to change this to bot detected, complete one offer below to prove you're human. Okay, so you can change this 1 to 2 or whatever figure you want. This is really up to you. But if you want people to complete more than one offer, you want to go to the advanced section, and you want to change this from you want to change the number of leads required to 2 or to 3 offers. This is really up to you. Okay, so for me, I'm going to leave this as default. And now the final thing you want to do is to add a logged URL. And this is the URL that is going to redirect people to the actual voting page. Okay, so to get this link, all you just simply need to do is to go over to your YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you an example of a post you want to create. So you want to create a simple community post like this. As you can see here, telling people to vote for their best device, be it Samsung or Apple. And as you can see right here, this post has gotten over 1,700 votes. And if you come over to the comment section as well of this post, as you can see here, people are still voting in the comment section as well. So this is why it's very important to go for niches people are passionate about. So once you create that community post, all you just need to do is to copy the link to that community post like this. All you just need to do is to paste it in the logged URL. And once people complete the offer, they will be redirected to this page where they can actually cast their votes. I hope this makes sense. And once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on save. So once you do that, you want to click on get links and you'll be able to copy your local link. So this is the link we are going to be including in this landing page. And to include this link in your landing page, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So you want to simply go over to Google and you want to type in VS Code. So this is a tool that allows you to edit any code on a page. Okay, so you want to come over here and you want to click on the first link. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and all you need to do is to download the version for your respective device, as you can see right here. So once you download the tool, all you just simply need to do is to install it on your PC. And once you install it on your PC, as you can see, you are going to see it on your desktop right here. So the next thing you want to then do, like I said earlier, click on the link in the description to get the landing page. Okay, so once you download the landing page, all you need to do is to open the landing page. Then you want to come over to the index file section and you want to right click. Then once you right click on this, you want to go over to where it says open with and you want to open this with Visual Studio Code. So once you do that, it's going to open the Visual Studio Code editor tool. And once it's open it, all you just simply need to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. And to be precise, you want to scroll down to line 2449 right here. Okay. So once you scroll down to this page, you're going to see this section right here that says google.com. All you just need to do is to highlight this google.com. So that takes us to the next step where you then want to purchase a domain name and a hosting for the landing page. And you can use namecheap.com to do this. However, for those who want to start out completely free, these two free options right here, netlify.com or github.com. So these are two websites right here which you can use to host this landing page for absolutely free. So I'm going to be showing you how to upload the landing page to netlify.com for absolutely free. You want to click on this sign up button to create a free account. So as you can see here, you can sign up using various options like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or you can just simply enter your email address and create an account right away. So once you create an account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And the first thing you want to do is to simply come over to where it says project like this. And as you can see here, I have uploaded several landing pages on this account right here. All you just need to do is to click on the add new project button. And now you want to then click on deploy manually. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And all you just simply need to do is to click on browse to upload. You want to look for where you downloaded this landing page to your device and you want to simply select the folder. So once you select the folder, all you need to do is to click on upload. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to scroll down here until you see this complete button. This will tell you your landing page was uploaded successfully without any problem. Then you want to then click on the preview button. So as you can see right here, we are hosting this landing page on netlify.app for free. And once people come over here and they click on this vote here button, it's going to bring them to this URL file page saying they need to complete this captcha to cast their votes. And once they successfully complete the offer, they'll be redirected to the poll you created on YouTube where they can then actually cast their votes. I hope this makes sense. And also, if you take a look at this link, as you can see right here, this link is not looking appealing at all. And most people are going to see this link as a spammy link. So there's something you can do to fix this. You can come over to the deploy section and all you just need to do is to scroll up here and you want to click on options. Then you want to then click on deploy settings. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on project details. And now you want to then click on change project name. Okay, as you can see here, you can give the link a better name. All right. You can then change the name to something like this: votebestmobile.netlify.app. As you can see, this looks much better than the previous name. You can then click on save right here. So once you save this, your link will be updated and you can start using the link to promote this landing page. And so you know, I'm fully aware you can share your link in YouTube Shorts videos, okay? So the only way to promote this link is by simply going over to the bio of your YouTube channel, and all you just simply need to do is to add the link to the profile of your YouTube channel, okay? So once you add the link to your YouTube channel, once people start coming over to your videos, you're going to start redirecting that traffic to the link in your YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you an example of how to do this. So if you go over to ChatGPT as an example, you want to type in a simple prompt like this, telling ChatGPT to give you a captivating comment you can pin to your YouTube videos, directing people to go over to the link in your profile. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has given us a couple of examples we can choose from. And as you can see, these examples are very, very good, as you can see right here. So once you then copy the comment, you want to now upload the videos to your YouTube channel. And I recommend to upload between 2 to 3 videos every single day to get the best results. So once you upload the video to your YouTube channel, all you just need to do is to go over to the comment section, and you can then simply pin that comment to the top right here. And keep in mind, these videos is going to be shown to people on their mobile feed, most likely people who have never seen your channel before. And once they come over to the comment section, they are going to see the pinned comment. And once they then go over to the profile of your YouTube channel, they are going to see that link, which is then going to take them to the landing page, which is going to ask them to then click to vote. And once they complete the offer, it's then going to redirect them to this poll you made on your YouTube channel to actually cast their votes. So you can see right here, this is a very simple method you can use to promote CPA offers on YouTube without any problem.